Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Word 2021 in Practice Chapter 2 Independent Projects 2 to 4. So if you want to complete same projects Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, stating and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grades your assignments and your exam. So assignment title is Word 2020-21 in Practice Chapter 2 Independence Projects 2 to 4. We move to the instruction files is the Independent Projects 2 to 4. Next is we move to the main project step number 1. So open the emergency procedures, start a file. If the document open is the protected view, click the enable editing button so you can modify it. Go to the Word files. I have already downloaded the Word file is the emergency procedures 2. Emergency procedures 2 documents. And the next is question number 2. So question number 2 is the file will be renamed automatically. Includes your name. Change the file name directed it. To do so, you instructed and save it. So I have already changed the first name is the file is change the first name, and next is question number 3. Change the theme to integrals and then theme color to the red. So change the theme color is to the integral. Go to the Word files and go to the design tabs and go to the theme groups. Click the theme and apply the integral. Apply the integral. Apply the integral theme and then theme color to the red. And go to the design tabs and go to the color groups. Click the color is to red. So find the red colors and click the red color and click OK. So apply the integral theme and red color. Next is question number 4. So question number 4 is change the top, bottom, left and right margin to the 0.75. So change the select the entire documents and change the top, bottom and left and right margins to the 0.75. Go to the layout tabs and change the top, bottom and left and right margin to the 0.75. So go to the layout tabs and go to the page setup groups, click the margins and go to the custom margins, and margin is top, bottom, left and right is top, bottom, top, bottom is 0.75. 0.75 is top and bottom. So the top bottom is 75 and bottom border is 0.75 and left and right margin is 0.75. So left and right margin is 0.5, all is 0.75 and then click OK. So question number 4 is complete and we can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is Select the entire document and change the font size to 12 point. Select the entire documents and change the font size to the 12 point. So go to the word files and select all the text. Shortcut button is Control A. So select the all text and select the entire document and change the font size to the 12 point. Go to the home tabs and font size to the 12. Go to the home tabs and go to the font groups. Click the font size to the 12. So select entire documents and change the font size to the 12. Next is question number 6. So question number 6 is format the title of the documents and select the title of the document and apply the heading 1 cell style. Select the title of the document and apply the heading 1 cell style. So go to the word files and select the title of the select the title and apply the heading 1 cell styles. So go to the home tabs and go to the style groups and apply the heading 1 cell styles. Apply the heading 1 cell styles. The title and apply the heading 1 cell styles. Heading 1 cell styles. And next is change the font size to the 18 point. The font size to 80 points. Go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and point is 18 points in the font size. And next is change the before paragraph spacing to the 0 point. Change the before paragraph spacing is 0 points. Go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups. Open the paragraph crop books and before the paragraph spacing is 0 point. Before the paragraph is 0 points and click OK. Before spacing is 0 points and next is add the bottom border of the title using the border drop down list. Add the bottom borders to the title and using the border drop down list. Add the bottom borders. So select the title and apply the bottom borders with the title using the border and drop down list. Apply the bottom borders. Go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups. Click the border. Apply the bottom border. Apply the bottom borders. So question number 7 is modify the heading to style and delete the blank lines. So apply the heading to style is the bold section is the heading. Apply the heading to of the bold section headings. So select the title and apply the heading to cell styles. Apply the heading to styles of the bold section heading. So select the first is emergency templates, telephones, blue phones, emergency telephone, blue phones, and the next is emergency telephone locations. Is apply the heading to cell style and all all heading, apply the heading to set style. So select the emergency phone heading and apply the heading to set styles. And next is accident or medical emergency, apply the heading to set style. And next is fights emotional and disturbances, is apply the heading to set styles. And next is power failures, apply the heading to set styles. And next is fire, apply the heading to set styles. Earthquake is apply the heading to set style. Heading to set style. And next is bombs threats, is apply the heading to set style. And next is trip to professor and staff, apply the heading to set style. And last is response to students, apply the heading to set style. Apply the heading to set style. Select the first section heading and apply the heading to set style. Next is change the before paragraph spacing to 12 point and after paragraph spacing to 3 points. Change the paragraph spacing 12 point. Change the paragraph spacing. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups. And before spacing is before paragraph spacing 12 point. Before paragraph spacing is 12 point. And after paragraph spacing is 3 point. After spacing is 3 point and click OK. Next is apply the small caps effects. Go to the font groups. So open the font groups and apply the small caps. Apply the small caps effects and click OK. Apply the small cap effects. And next is change the before spacing 12 point and update the heading to style match the selection all section header and update the font size is to the small caps. Click OK. And before is 12 point and after is 3 point. Before is 12 point and after is 3 point and click OK. And small caps and update the heading to style to match the selection and all the selection to header or updates. Right clicks and click the update heading to match the selections. And click the show and hides. Show and hides and delete the all blank line in the documents. Turn on the show and hide and delete the all blank lines of the documents. So delete the all blank lines. And delete the all blank lines. Read the all blank lines and select the bulleted list in the first section and change the number to list. Select the bulleted list the first section and change the number list. Select the bullet list and select the bullet list in the first section and change the number list. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the numbering. So question number 8 is complete and we move to the question number 9. Apply the numbering format, apply the formatting, change and use the format pointers and apply the numbering to text below the sections, headings and following assault fights or emotional disturbance, power failure, fire, earthquake, egg, bomb threats. So select the apply the numbering text below the section heading following the section assault fights and emotional disturbance. Assault fights and emotional disturbance. So select the paragraph and apply the numbering formats and self-fights or emotional disturbance is apply the numbering formats apply the numbering format and next is power failures apply the number formats is the and power failure and fire and earthquake. Fire and earthquake apply the numeric formats and next is bomb threats. Bomb threats apply the number formats. Choose the and select the number formats to the bomb threats is list is selected and open the paragraph dialog box before and after paragraph 2 points and deselect the don't edit space between the paragraph of the same style checkbox and then click OK dialog box. So go to the paragraph groups and before is 2 point before before and after paragraph spacing is 2 point after spacing is 2 point and deselect the don't edit it between the paragraph same styles. Don't add space between the paragraph in the same styles checkbox and click OK dialog box and then click OK. Next is use the use the format pointer to copy the number format to each of the other number list. Use the format pointers and copy this numbering format to each of the other number list. So apply the copy the format pointer and apply the other formats. Sorry. copy the format pointer and apply the other formats, earthquake and fire. And next is power failure. The power failures and assault fights or emotional distributors. And go to the first paragraph is to the by the format pointer. And reset each number list to begin with the one and select the item which the number list to right clicks and select the item we start at a one and context menu for a list content continues to the second page be sure to select the entire list. Reset the each number and select the restart at a one. So select the go to the search files or emotional disturbance, right click and click the reset at a one. And next is power failure, reset at a one and select the fire, right click and reset at a one. And next is earthquake, the reset at a one. And last is bomb threads, right clicks and click the reset at a one. So question number 9 is complete and we can move to the question number 10. Customize the billing list and use the format pointer. Select the text accident or medical emergency section and create the custom bullets list to the double rights pointing triangle symbol. So create the select the text accident or medical emergency section, text of medical and emergency. So select the text accident or medical emergency. Accident or medical emergency section and create the custom bullet list. Double right painting triangle symbol is the web heading character and code is 256. So go to the custom bullet list and go to the define new bullets and click the symbols and font symbol is to the web heading web web webbing. So font is to the webbing, find the webbing, scroll down and choose the webbing. Web webdings. select the webdings, webdings, and character code is to character code is 56, 56, and click OK, and again OK. Code is 56. Open the paragraph dialog box and confirm a left indent 0.25 and hanging indents 0.25 if the not change in the setting. Open the paragraph and dialog box and confirm the left indent 0.25 and hanging indents 0.25 if the not changing, and click OK. Next is set the before and after the paragraph spacing to point and deselect do not add space between the paragraph in the same style checkbox. Of before and after paragraph spacing 2 point. Before and after is spacing paragraph 2 point. 2 point and deselect the do not add space between the paragraph the same style and checkbox and click OK. And use the format pointer to apply the bulleted list from the text format tip to the professor and staff and responsible students. So copy the format pointer and apply the tips to professor staff, tip to professor staff, professor and tip to professor and staff, tip to professor and staff, and response to the student. The response to student. Tips to professors and staff and response to student. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grades, your assignments and exam. So if you want to any other similar assignments, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access.